How to find the best work-at-home jobs. The landscape of employment has significantly shifted in the last few years. The idea of a traditional office space is quickly being replaced with the cozy corners of our homes. More people are tapping into the work-at-home job market seeking the flexibility and comfort it promises. The allure of remote work is evident. I can switch from a client call to laundry in a matter of minutes. As someone who values my independence and control over my time, the benefits of working from home cannot be overstated. There's the savings on commuting, the customizable office environment, and the chance to be around for family when needed. However, with these perks comes a unique set of challenges. The primary hurdle I've observed is discerning which opportunities are legitimate. Scouring through job listings often feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. We're in an era where a quick Google search can yield countless results, some genuine and others well less than reputable. Through my experience, I'm fascinated by how the right approach can simplify this otherwise daunting task. Approaching the job market with a mix of skepticism and optimism is key. Being cautious yet curious leads to unexpected discoveries and can turn the task of finding a work-at-home job into a rewarding endeavor. It only makes sense then to begin by preparing yourself, not just mentally, but also in terms of the physical tools you'll need to thrive in a virtual work environment. Essential skills and equipment for remote work. If you're stepping into the realm of remote work, certain skills and tools aren't just beneficial, they're crucial. First and foremost, let's talk about creating an effective work environment at home. You'll need a reliable computer, high-speed internet, and a dedicated workspace. It's not just about comfort, it's about setting a boundary between home life and work life. Next, consider upskilling. I don't mean just in the online courses or certifications, but those that tailor to remote work readiness. Think project management tools, remote communication platforms, and perhaps digital marketing skills if that's your field. It's one thing to be good at your job, and it's another to be good at doing it remotely. Without a boss peering over your shoulder, self-discipline becomes your new supervisor. Time management isn't just a skill to have, it's the lifeline of your productivity. Setting clear work hours, creating to-do lists, and using project management software can make a world of difference in how much you accomplish each day. Strategies for finding legitimate work-at-home jobs. Successful job hunting in the virtual realm demands a strategic approach. I'm well versed in navigating this landscape, and I'm here to guide you through the less beaten paths as well as the well-trodden ones in pursuit of significant work-at-home opportunities. A go-to tactic involves scoring specialized job boards and forums. Platforms like We Work Remotely and Remote.co curate listings for freelancers, part-timers, and full-time remote professionals. This targeted search eliminates the clutter of irrelevant listings, presenting you with the pure gold of pertinent job offers. Networking is often understated but powerfully effective. LinkedIn, as a professional hallmark, is more than a resume display. It's a vibrant marketplace for exchanging opportunities. Engage with industry groups, participate in discussions, and announce your job-seeking status. Relationships you build can lead to recommendations or direct job offers. A careful background check on potential employers is essential due diligence. This means deep diving into company reviews on sites like Glassdoor and watching out for red flags indicating scams or poor working conditions. Legitimate companies are transparent about their operations and usually have a digital footprint that includes social media presence and credible contact information. One of the most proactive steps you can take is to reach out directly to organizations known for embracing remote work. Many companies are recognizing the value of a distributed workforce. Drawing up a list of such organizations and their career pages can yield undeniably promising leads. Transitioning from the hunt for work-at-home jobs to establishing a digital presence through blogging is seamless. Up next, I'll shed light on how affiliate blogging can not only complement your job searches, but potentially carve out a full-scale career on its own. Conclusion: the future of work and your next step, making a career from the comfort of your home. Has never been more attainable than it is today. The guidance provided here is aimed at setting you on the right path to securing the best work-at-home job that fits your skills and lifestyle. In this evolving job market, affiliate blogging emerges as an exciting avenue for those who are passionate about writing and marketing. It allows you to earn an income by promoting products or services you believe in, providing both flexibility and a potential for scalable earnings. Platforms like Wealthy Affiliate offer a community and comprehensive training for individuals interested in affiliate blogging. They guide you through every step of the process, from setting up a blog, choosing your niche, to optimizing your content for better conversion. Rates. Whether you're seeking a part-time role to supplement your income or a full-time career that fits around your personal commitments, embracing the vast opportunities of remote work and perhaps even starting your own affiliate blog could be your next professional milestone. Just remember, success in this digital landscape hangs on continuous learning, staying up to date with industry trends, and connecting with like-minded professionals. As you move forward, consider Wealthy Affiliate as our sourceful partner on your journey into the realm of online business. Its platform stands as a testament to the viability of affiliate blogging as a profession and could be the key to unlocking your work-at-home aspirations.